Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can make a progress bar in Notion. So for this tutorial I'm going to make a progress bar to calculate the percentage of profit that I've generated. So here I have two columns, a profit generated and a targeted profit column, and I want to measure the percentage of the profit that I'm making. So it's very simple. Simply click add property button and scroll down, and here select formula. So basically we have to create a formula. Simply click on edit formula button, and here we have to create a formula. So since I want to calculate the percentage of profit, I am going to divide profit generated by targeted profit multiplied by 100. So I'm going to simply click profit generated column, then I'm going to enter forward slash, then I'm going to select the second column, which is targeted profit, and then I'm going to enter asterisk, which is the multiplication symbol, and then I'm going to enter 100. So this is basically the formula to calculate percentage of two numbers. So in this case it is used to calculate the percentage of two columns, the profit generated and targeted profit column. Alright, so once you're done with building the formula, you can enter any formula. You can add the formula to calculate the average, the sum, whatever you want. I want to calculate the percentage, so I enter this formula. Simply press done, and here the show as column is selected as numbers by default. You have to change it to bar, and you have to scroll down, and you have to disable this show number button, and we're done. So now as you can see, this progress bar has appeared in our Notion, and this will tell us the progress of the profit we have generated. If you enter another formula, it will give you different details. So this is basically how you make a progress bar in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.